Hi everyone! How are you? 皆さんこんにちは。抹茶侍です。お元気ですか？ Today, I'm introducing you Particle to. This Particle to has two functions. One adds function as and in English. The other rule adds together and with. In my channel, I introduce Japanese words, phrases, grammar, and culture. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, so you won't miss new videos. Okay, let's start! Hey. Today's contents. 1. Particle to as and. 2. Particle to as together and with. 3. Let's practice more. Example sentences. 4. Today's review. 5. Today's idiom. Particle to as and. Particle to as and. 映画館とレストランに行きました。I went to a movie theater and a restaurant. The particle to connects two nouns. 映画館 and レストラン。映画館 is movie theater in Japanese and restaurant is restaurant in Japanese. Particle to as together or with. はい。Particle to as together or with. 愛子さんはひろしさんと昼食を食べました。愛子 had lunch with ひろし。The particle to describes with whom Aiko does something. これは猫カフェです。There are cafes like this you can play with cats in Japan. Let's practice more. Example sentences. 私は英語と日本語を話します。私は英語と日本語を話します。私は英語と日本語を話します。I speak English and Japanese. 英語英語英語 English as a language. 今日はお寿司とサラダを食べました。今日はお寿司とサラダを食べました。今日はお寿司とサラダを食べました。I had sushi and salad today. ここには愛子さんの家とひろしさんの家があります。ここは愛子さんの家です。 してこちらはひろしさんの家です。ここには愛子さんの家とひろしさんの家があります。There are Aiko's house and Hiroshi's house. ここは愛子さんの家です。Here's Aiko's house. そしてこちらはひろしさんの家です。And then this is Hiroshi's. 明日、愛子さんはひろしさんと一緒に美術館へ行きます。明日、愛子さんはひろしさんと一緒に美術館へ行きます。明日、愛子さんはひろしさんと一緒に美術館へ行きます。Aiko will go to the art museum with Hiroshi tomorrow. 美術館、美術館、美術館 Art museum 博物館、博物館、博物館Museum。 愛子さんはお母さんと似ています。愛子さんはお母さんと似ています。愛子さんはお母さんと似ています。Aiko look alike with her mom. お母さん、お母さん、お母さん Mom. Mother is 母 in Japanese. For conversation, you can only call your own mother as 母。お父さん、おとうさん、お父さん Dad。 Father in Japanese is 父。For conversation, you can only call your own father as 父。今日誰と出かけますか？今日誰と出かけますか？今日誰と出かけますか？ Who are you going to go out together today? 愛子さん、こんにちは。こんにちは。今日は誰と出かけますか？ひろしさんと出かけます。そうですか。ではまた後で。はい、また後で。今日は誰と出かけますか？ Who are you going to go out together today? ひろしさんと出かけます。 I'm going to go out with Hiroshi. Today's review. Today we learned about Particle to. It connects two nouns or lists items. It specifies as an accompanying person or reciprocal relationship. If you have any questions about today's video, please ask me in the comment section below. Or tell me what you thought about this video. Today's idiom. 学ぶのに遅すぎることはない。It's never too late to learn. はい、学ぶのに遅すぎることはありません。Yes, it is indeed that never too late to learn something new. I'm glad if you just started learning Japanese as a language. And I'm also so happy if you are learning it for a while. It's important to keep learning. When you can speak multiple languages, you will have more opportunities and possibilities in your life. I hope my channel will be your help. Thank you for watching my video today. See you in the next video. Bye! またね